Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the property system platform token. Ticker symbol is PS. This is also just known as the PS Platforms STO platform token. Lots of different names for this token, but this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly December 29th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing announcement starting December 29th at 9 o'clock UTC time. The PS token will be listed on Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Lbank account, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on December 29th, go into the trade section, search ticker symbol PS, and then simply just buy the token. So PS Platform, a PS Platform's STO platform, is a real estate transaction STO platform that utilizes blockchain technology. You can find their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there at PS_land official. This token is on the Klaytn blockchain, Klaytn. You can find them on KlaytnScope.com. And on their Twitter that I put in the corner of the screen there, brand new project, just joined in December 2023. Has only 21 tweets so far, 18,100 Twitter followers though. And they have a link to their webpage right there, psfoundation.land. And if you go over there, you can also find a full white paper. It's like a 26-page white paper, tons of information on there. So PS Platform, it's a real estate platform using blockchain. We can all agree that the importance of real estate in our lives, or at least in overall investment, cannot be overemphasized. Not only our homes and offices, but all the buildings and stores that we visit during our daily work, are economic spaces and competitive spaces where our hard-earned money is divided. We buy or rent the houses we live in, and part of our employer's income is paid directly or indirectly to the owner of the building. The same goes when we go buy coffee or groceries. In this case, a significant portion of the amount of that we pay goes to the owner of these buildings where the purchase occurred. The real estate industry is the world's largest industry with a total value of $200 trillion in 2021, and the global commercial real estate investment volume is a huge market exceeding $9 trillion as of 2023. The global real estate market attracts approximately $1 trillion in investment every year and offers virtually limitless growth opportunities. However, there is also a disadvantage that the general public cannot feel the scale and speed of change. The real estate industry is fundamentally more capital intensive and less liquid than the stock market. Additionally, the minimum transaction unit is very high compared to the stock market. Accordingly, players in the real estate investment market inevitably consist of large-scale experts such as banks, pension funds, corporations, insurance companies, and family equity, and such entry barriers fundamentally prevent small investors from obtaining the same level of investment returns as professionals. So the PS platform started from these problems in the existing market, the PS platform combines traditional real estate investment with STO and token utility allowed by blockchain technology to help anyone, regardless of income level, invest in real estate and select assets in the most efficient way. Investors can purchase security tokens of real estate around the world through the PS coin, the project's key currency, which is directly linked to ownership of real estate. In addition, because security tokens traded within the STO platform are backed by tangible real estate assets, they have the advantage of being provided with primary protection against volatility, unlike general crypto assets. PS platform focuses on legal real estate asset ownership through STO. The securitized tokens of real estate that users can purchase on the platform are not limited to simple authentication of ownership itself, but are used to increase the user's expected profits by being linked to rental income, sales revenue, and additional revenue through platform services. Additionally, the profitability can be maximized by participating as an early player in the construction project, where the project team builds a new building on pre-purchased land. So real estate assets have a variety of uses, even if it starts with purchasing the land or buildings and making distributed purchases through the STO platform. Real estate from around the world has completed construction and can also be closely linked to the travel and leisure industries. This leads to an opportunity for PS Coin's utility to grow without boundaries. Users have the advantage to be able to use crypto assets issued by the PS platform not only as real estate investments, but also travel, leisure, and shopping. We dream of PS Coin becoming an approved payment method for global currency that goes beyond the limitations of crypto assets, used only within the platform, and actually owns and manages real estate assets around the world. PS platform as a real estate STO platform backed by value of real coin of real estate will overcome the traditional limitations of existing real estate industry's ecosystem, guaranteeing small investors a market participation rate at a level of professional players and achieve symbiotic development with various stakeholders. So, I mean, a lot to unpack on this white paper here. It's a very lengthy 26-page white paper with very tiny print, but in a nutshell, that's exactly what this project is trying to do. So they're trying to have a trustless environment, transaction completion in near real time. So they talk about how they have reduced roles for transaction brokers, reduction in transaction costs, increased convenience in raising funds, increased data reliability, and reduces chances of transaction fraud. Now, within the PS platform, they're going to have leisure industry, travel and tourism, real estate, financial products, and digital points. And it goes on and on. Like I said, this token is on the Klaytn blockchain. They have a whole section here on token economy. The Klaytn network with a total supply of 10 million PS coins. Name of the token is PS coin. Ticker symbol is PS. How the token is split up: 70% of the tokens go to acquiring real estate properties, 3% to the team, then we have 5% to the platform development, 7% legal operation, then we have 3% going to marketing and placement, and 12% to the ecosystem. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.